Hi, today I am going to be showing you how to divide polynomials. But first we need to understand what polynomials are. Polynomials are a combination of terms. So what are terms? X squared, 5x, 4, x, and 1, they are all called terms. Now, term could be a variable like letters, x, y, z, any letter of the alphabet, or constant. Constant is just a number. So for example, 4 and 1, those are called constants. Now, one term is called a monomial, like an x. X is a monomial, just one term. If you have two terms like x plus 1, it's called binomial. And if you have three terms like x squared plus 5x plus 4, so these are, you got three terms here which are combined by a plus or a minus, is called trinomial. All of these, monomial, binomial, trinomials, all of these are called polynomials. Now, we're going to continue with division of polynomials. When you're dividing polynomials, the process of division is just like long division. So if you haven't seen the long division video I've made, please have a look at it now, so that it will be easy for you to understand the process, because it's exactly the same. Okay, so we're going to divide x squared plus 5x plus 4 by x plus 1, which is your divisor. So we're going to put x squared plus 5x plus 4 inside the bootstrap and divided by x plus 1. The technique here when you divide polynomials is to look at the first terms of your dividend and your divisor. So you're going to divide x squared divided by x. What do you multiply with x to get x squared? So you have x. And then you're going to multiply x to the whole of the divisor, x plus 1. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is just x. And then you're going to subtract. Your purpose here is to eliminate the first term each time. So x squared minus x squared is 0. 5x minus x is 4x. Bring down the next term plus 4. So again, you're going to divide 4x by x. So what do you multiply with x to get 4x? You have 4, so plus 4. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is 4. So subtracting that, you have 4x minus x is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the whole thing is 0, no remainder. Let's have another example. So your dividend is 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus x plus 12. We're going to put that inside the bootstrap divided by x minus 3. So again, look at the first terms of the dividend and the divisor. So you have x there for your divisor and 2x cubed. So what do you multiply with x to get 2x cubed? You have 2x squared. You're going to multiply 2x squared to x minus 3. So first we have x. 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 3 is negative 6x squared. So subtracting that, 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. Negative 7x squared minus negative 6x squared. So I have a minus and a minus here, which becomes positive. Negative 7x plus 6x squared is negative x squared. Minus x, bring down the next term, which is x. So again, divide the first terms. Negative x squared divided by x is negative x. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Negative x times negative 3x becomes positive 3x from the rules of negative numbers. So subtracting that, negative x squared minus x squared minus negative. So you have 2 here, becomes a plus. Negative x squared plus x squared becomes 0. Negative x minus positive 3x. So minus and positive becomes minus. Negative x minus 3x becomes negative 4x. Bring down the next term, 12. So what do you multiply with x to get negative 4x? You have negative 4. Multiply that. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. So you're subtracting the same terms there. So your answer will be 0. No remainder. Okay, so now we're going to divide 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 16x plus 10 by x minus 4. So focus on the first terms of the dividend and the divisor. So you have 2x cubed and x. What do you multiply with x to get 2x cubed? So you have 2x squared. You multiply 2x squared with x minus 4. So 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 4 is negative 8x squared. Subtract that. So 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. Negative 5x squared minus negative 8x squared. So minus and minus becomes a plus. So that will make negative 5x squared plus 8x squared to give you 3x squared. Bring down negative 16x. So what do you multiply with x to get 3x squared? You have 3x, positive 3x. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 4 gives you negative 12x. Subtracting that, you have 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. Negative 16x minus negative 12x. So minus and minus becomes a plus. Negative 16x plus 12x gives you negative 4. Bring down positive 10. So what do you multiply with x to get negative 4x? You have negative 4. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 4 gives you positive 16. Subtracting that, so negative 4x minus negative 4x gives you 0. 10x minus positive 16 will give you negative 6. So you have a remainder here of negative 6. You can also write your remainder as minus, so that's negative 6, over your divisor of x minus 4. So that will give you negative 6 over x minus 4. So this is now the division of polynomials with a remainder this time. So that concludes our lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.